Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the principles of inheritance and variations, that is in genetics unit. Genetics. What is genetics? The genetic branch deals with the study of heredity and variations. Study of heredity and variations. Heredity. What is heredity? The study of transmission of characters from one generation to the next generation. So the characters are transmitted from one generation to the next generation. That's known as heredity. Variations. The progeny or offsprings are differ from their parents. That's known as variation. So variation is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. Okay, so genetics branch is mainly deals with the heredity and variations. Gregor John Mendel is popularly known as father of genetics. Who is father of genetics? Gregor John Mendel. Humans knew from as early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of the causes of variation was hidden in a sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, mainly three events are there. Already have learnt about the events of sexual reproduction. What are they? Pre-fertilization events, fertilization, and post-fertilization events. During pre-fertilization events, during the formation of the gametes, in majority, most of the organisms, the meiosis cell division takes place. As a result of meiosis cell division, the gametes, the microspore mother cell or megaspore mother cell, for example, in angiosperm group of plants and anther and in ovule, the micro and megaspore mother cells are undergoes meiosis cell division to form microspores and megaspores respectively. So there the meiotic division takes place during the formation of microspores and megaspores. Already you know the steps in meiosis cell division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is further differentiated into karyokinesis 1 and cytokinesis 1. In karyokinesis 1 of meiosis 1 is consist of prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1 and telophase 1. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 is differentiated into leptotin, zygotin, packaging, diplotin and diakinesis. Okay, the crossing ovaries takes place and genetic material exchanges takes place in prophase 1 of meiosis 1. That leads to variations. So that meiosis division, that concept already have learnt in first PUC. That knowledge is required here. So humans knew from as early as 8000 to 1000 BC that one of the causes of variation was hidden in a sexual reproduction. They exploited the variations that were naturally present in the wild populations of plant and animals to selectively breed and select for organisms that possessed desirable characters. For example, through artificial selection and domestication, from ancestral wild cows, we have well known breeds, for example, Sahiwal cows in Punjab. We have to know a few terms in genetics. These are useful to understand the genetics chapter, principles of inheritance and variations. What are those terms? One of the term is phenotype. What is phenotype? A physical appearance of an organism or physical expressed external characters of an individual. Okay, a physically expressed external character of an individual. For example, dwarfness, tallness, color. In human beings, some of the human beings are regarding the color, that's black in color, regarding the skin color, and some of the skin's color may be white. So that's varies. Physical appearance of skin of the color is varies. And tall, regarding that height, some of the human beings are tall, some of the human beings are dwarf. That is one of the physical appearance, phenotype. And genotype. Phenotype, nowadays, that one of the dreadful disease, that's corona, COVID-19. The physical appearance of COVID-19, phenotype of COVID-19 is spherical or pleomorphic. And next, genotype, genetic makeup of an individual for a phenotype, genetic makeup of an organism or genetic makeup of an individual for a phenotype. Okay, in human beings, the diploid cell is each diploid cell is consist of 46 chromosomes generally. Each chromosome is having the DNA. DNA is consist of genes. So the genetic makeup of an individual organism. Okay, genetic makeup of an individual organism is known as a genotype. Next, allele. Alternative form of gene is known as allele. Alternative form of gene known as allele. Next, gene. What is gene? A small segment of the DNA. Here the diagrammatic representation of one chromosome, DNA strands. The two strands are present in a DNA molecule. Here the DNA molecule, diagrammatic representation, it consists of a genes. Okay, DNA molecule is present inside the chromosome. So this DNA is consist of genes. So gene is a small segment of DNA. Next, dominance, dominant or dominance. A gene or a character expressed in heterozygous condition of an organism. A gene or character expressed in a heterozygous condition of an organism. Recessive. A gene or characters which fails to express in heterozygous condition. That's recessive. Homozygous. Homozygous, it contains two similar alleles for a particular trait. Trait means character. It contains two similar alleles for a particular trait. Here, what is a trait? A tall character. Here, the tall character in homozygous condition is represented, denoted as capital T, capital T. Dwarf character, homozygous condition is denoted by small t, small t. Next, heterozygous. It contains two different alleles for a particular trait. Okay, two different alleles for particular trait, heterozygous. Two similar alleles for particular trait, homozygous. So, for example, for heterozygous, tall character is denoted by capital T, small t. Homozygous tall character, capital T, capital T. Gregor John Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years. It must be remembered, this is important for objective. So Gregor John Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years, from 1856 to 1863. Later, he proposed laws of inheritance. Okay, so who proposed laws of inheritance? Mendel. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on which plant? Garden pea. Pisum sativum is the scientific name of garden pea. It belongs to Fabaceae family. In first PEC, 4 families he outlined. The characteristics of Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae and Liliaceae. So garden peas belongs to Fabaceae family. The scientific name or biological name of garden pea is Pisum sativum. Okay, Mendel conducted artificial pollination or cross pollination experiments using several true breeding pea lines. True breeding pea lines are gets through the continued self pollination. Okay, so which pollination is helpful to get the true breeding lines? The self pollination is helpful for to get true breeding lines. Okay, true breeding pea lines are shows the stable trait inheritance and expression for several generations. Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. It's also important for objective point of view. Mendel selected how many true breeding pea plant varieties? 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. So based on the introduction of the principles of inheritance regarding the subjective point of view, few questions. What are they? One of the question, on which plant Mendel did work? On which plant Mendel did work? Pea plant. What is heredity? The transmission of characters from parents to offspring. Okay, define variation. The progenies or exhibit the dissimilar characters when compared with the parents. So what is phenotype? Physical appearance of an organism. What is genotype? Genetic makeup of an organism is known as a genotype. The NEET related to few questions we will discuss here. One of the question, which of the following branches gives information about the heredity and variation? Which branches gives information about the heredity and variation? Genetics. Who proposed laws of inheritance? Who proposed laws of inheritance? Gregor John Mendel. Option C is the correct answer. How many true breeding pea plant varieties selected by Mendel? How many true breeding pea plant varieties selected by Mendel? 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. Okay. Who proposed laws of inheritance? Who proposed laws of inheritance? Gregor Mendel proposed laws of inheritance. Next, which of the following plants selected by Mendel for his experiments? Which plant selected for his experiment? Mendel selected pea plant for his experiments. Okay, what are the options given? Option A, pea. Option B, groundnut. Option C, Mangifera indica is a scientific name or biological name of mango plant. Option D, brinjal. Among these, which option is the correct answer? Option A, P, Pisum sativum. Next, find out the correct statement. Option A, genetics branch deals with the study of heredity and variation. Okay, is it correct or incorrect? Correct. Which one we have to find? Incorrect statement, not a correct statement. Now we have to see the second option B. Is it correct or incorrect? Option B. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years. It's also correct. Mendel conducted hybridization experiments on garden peas for 7 years. So B is also correct. Next, Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. Is it correct or incorrect? Look at here, Mendel selected 14 true breeding pea plant varieties. So this one is also correct. Option D, none of the above. Option D is none of the above. So among these, which option is the correct? Incorrect? Among none of the above, because these are correct. A is correct, B is correct, C is also correct. Option D, here option D is none of the above. Option D is the correct answer. Okay.